Hey there, Brett here, one of the owners at Kingstree Plumbing, and welcome to our FAQ series. This is a series of questions asked by our clients. We wanted to put them in video format, get the information across to you from an owner. This is a good tool for people at our company to be able to share these, and it's also a good tool for you to be able to get the information you need as quickly as possible. Now, if the question you have isn't answered in these, please give our office a call. The number will be around this video. Give the office a call. We have a 24/7 line, can answer any of your questions, get you helped out, get you booked in straight away if that's what you need. That is the fastest way to contact us. The other thing you'll notice around here is a button to open up a chat with one of the managers, one of the owners. So if you have any issues, if we've already done work and you're trying to figure out how do I contact someone to figure out this issue, click on that link, they'll open up and we can get you dealt with as quickly as possible. The aim of these videos is to be clear, is to be transparent, is to explain how we do things and why we do things above and beyond what our technicians and employees do a great job of explaining how we work. But this is really, if you have any questions, you should be able to find them here. So enjoy the FAQs, guys. Please give us some feedback, suggest other questions we could include on here. We will keep adding to our content as we go to try and help better serve you. Let's get into it. Thanks a lot. Bye now.